Episode 1: The Birth of the Universe and Star Formation. The universe began with the Big Bang. Over billions of years, stars and galaxies formed through an evolutionary process. Stars were born from clouds of gas and dust, leading to the formation of planets. Episode 2: Structure of Stars and Galaxies. Stars come in different sizes and types. Galaxies are vast structures composed of billions of stars. Various types of galaxies exist, including spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. Episode 3: Planets in the Solar System. The Solar System consists of planets, moons, dwarf planets, and other objects orbiting around the Sun. Some planets, like Earth, may harbor life. Episode 4: Interstellar Medium and Nebulae. The interstellar medium is composed of gas and dust between stars. Within this medium, beautiful and colorful nebulae form from clouds of gas and dust. Episode 5: Black Holes and Their Evolution. Black holes are remnants of massive stars that collapse under their own gravity. They have such intense gravity that not even light can escape beyond their event horizon. Episode 6: Galaxy Clusters and Superclusters. Galaxy clusters are massive structures composed of many galaxies. Superclusters are even larger structures formed by the clustering of galaxy clusters. Episode 7: Cosmic Microwave Background Radiation. The cosmic microwave background radiation is a remnant from the early universe, originating from the Big Bang. It carries traces of temperature fluctuations from the early history of the universe. Episode 8: Dark Matter and Dark Energy. Dark matter is an unseen form of matter that constitutes a significant portion of the universe's mass. Dark energy is a mysterious form of energy that accelerates the expansion of the universe. Episode 9: Exoplanets and the Search for Life. Exoplanets are planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. Various methods are used to search for signs of life on these planets. Episode 10: Advancements in Astronomical Technology. Telescopes, spacecraft, and other observation tools have greatly advanced astronomy. These technologies have provided us with much of our knowledge about space. Episode 11: Stellar Deaths and Supernova Explosions. Massive stars end their lives in supernova explosions. These explosions contribute to the formation of new elements in the universe and the evolution of stars. Episode 12: The Sun's Life and Future. The Sun, like other stars, undergoes stages of evolution. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant and eventually become a white dwarf. Episode 13: Concepts of Time and Space. Time and space are intricately defined by Einstein's theory of general relativity. The curved structure of space-time illustrates how it is affected by mass and energy. Episode 14: Astronomical Discoveries and Observations. Telescopes and spacecraft play crucial roles in astronomical discoveries. These observations provide insights into new stars, galaxies, planets, and other celestial bodies. Episode 15: Space Exploration and Human Endeavors. Humans have sent spacecraft to explore space and conducted manned and unmanned missions to the Moon, Mars, and other planets. Space exploration is a significant advancement for humanity. Episode 16: The Search for Extraterrestrial Life. The existence or possibility of extraterrestrial life has long intrigued scientists. Missions are planned to search for signs of life on celestial bodies like Mars, Europa, and Enceladus. Episode 17: Space Settlement and Colonization. There are plans to establish permanent human settlements in space. Space colonization is a long-term goal for humanity that may be realized in the future. Episode 18: resource utilization and sustainability in space. Space mining and resource utilization could be part of future space explorations. These resources are essential for establishing sustainable existence in space. Episode 19: Communication in Space and Spacecraft Communication. Spacecraft and exploration teams in space use complex communication systems to communicate with Earth. These systems are critical for the successful execution of space missions. Episode 20: Future Space Exploration and Progress. Future space explorations will continue with manned and unmanned missions. New technologies and scientific discoveries will unlock the mysteries of space for humanity.